Alex Murdaugh had his second day in court. He is facing yet another set of criminal charges related to his alleged financial crimes.
WSAV News 3's Andrew Davis was in Columbia as the judge determined if Murdaugh should remain behind bars.
The answer from the judge was no bond for Alex Murdaugh today, saying the financial crimes against the family of Gloria Satterfield and questions about his mental health led him to keep him behind bars.
But the reality is that $2.9 million went into that Forge account that Mr. Murdaugh controlled, and within a few months, he had transferred all that money for personal use.
The South Carolina Attorney General's office made their case. Alex Murdaugh created a fake company, stole millions in insurance money from the family of Gloria Satterfield and put it in his own account. With the Satterfield family in attendance, their attorney Eric Bland called Murdaugh a liar and a cheat who need to be taught a lesson with a large bond amount.
He is a clear and present danger to the citizens of this state and to my family.
We get calls every day from lawyers about this case with one unified sentiment: outrage.
Prosecutors asked for a $200,000 bond and for Murdaugh to be placed on GPS monitoring. Dick Harpootlian, Alex's lawyer, said there was no need to monitor his client.
His willingness to confront these charges, he hasn't run once, not going to run, and the fact that maybe he, at some point was a danger to himself in an opioid-addled mental condition, asked somebody to shoot him in the head. But that's not where he is today.
The final say went to Judge Clifton Newman, who had his own opinions on giving Alex Murdaugh bond.
I am therefore denying bond episode and requiring Mr. Murdaugh to undergo a psychiatric evaluation.
A lot of times we say when a lawyer steals with a pen, it's just as bad as somebody who steals with a gun. We talked about that in the court there today, and a lot of times it doesn't resonate, but I actually believe that it did resonate today.
He's not denying that if that happened, that he bears some responsibility, but Bland and those guys have already settled the case with Corey Fleming. It's amazing to us that the focus is on just Alex. There are other people who are participating in this process.
Murdaugh's own attorneys have gotten someone to do that psychiatric evaluation. They hope to be right back here in a week to go in front of the judge asking for bond one more time. In the meantime, when asked about those suspects they may have known in the murders of his wife and son, they said simply, "We have no comment." Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3, on your side.
We have more stories on the Murdaugh investigations. You'll find that on our website, wsav.com/Murdaugh.